Hey guys, today is July the 13th of 2020, and I want to go over the price action of the pound dollar. I want to show you some interesting things here that I'm watching. First off, using Elliott Wave, which I'm not a pro at, but I like to just to see what Elliott people are thinking. According to what the software is analyzing, we're going to do or planning on working on a wave 5. So if you're bullish, your targets would be anywhere between 29.66 and 34.16 if you believe that there's a wave 5 coming up according to this analysis. If you're bearish, you will see the seasonal. Seasonals are saying, you know what, price action is going to go lower all the way to August the 14th. So keep that in the back of your mind on regards to seasonality on the pound. As of today, you can see the Stokes have crossed over, showing some sign of weakness. There's a lot of divergence going on. And if you had some trend lines, we're getting into a big wedge where prices are just being compressed to the point where it's going to explode, in one direction big. Looking at the big time frames using the squeeze play technique on the monthly, it looks like it wants to explode up. So wave 5 could be in the works. But as of right now, on the 9th, we failed to even regain this trend line from the March 20th low, pivot here on the 18th. We failed it here. We tried to do it here. And this is our little wiggle room to figure out if we're going to continue to push higher. We have this trend line. We got this trend line from here to the March 9th. And we got the big one from December the 13th, which is this big one right here that we need to get above. And on top of that, we need to take out 28.12, which is the 610 high. This is also possible targets to the upside, anywhere from 28.95 all the way to 29.51. Date-wise, 23rd to watch. But look at what's interesting here with the ellipse technique. Every time prices get to the end of the ellipse, something happens in regards to the move. And you can see that it either explodes to the upside or the downside. And you can see that right now we exploded to the downside. Final support here. At the end of the ellipse, we get a nice pop. Kind of consolidate at the end of the ellipse, the yellow one, we pop. We hit this high on the 9th, kind of consolidate. And now we're at the end of the ellipse. And now we're kind of getting some selling pressure now. Possible supports could be this trend line. Just put that on your chart, and you can see that there's going to be a support coming here. There's also the 50% from this swing, 25.31. Let's see if this holds, or that 24.65. But the point, middle point would be here. Let's see if that holds. Other than that, it's going to be choppy until we either break above 610, June 610, or take out this 629 in this trend line. Let's look at the my other chart. You can see that the dollar is getting some Momo over here. And look at this 50% from the bigger swing, which is at 24.61. So you can see I have the same thing on this channel, and we're just kind of consolidating and chopping. Level to watch, if we retrace 25.93 on the daily, but you could probably find some better levels fractal wise. But we took out this low, and it's not looking too good. There's some divergences on the daily chart that you need to keep an eye on, but there's a big selling pressure. So if you want to go short, wait for a retrace or wait for the 14th candle pops up and then take it from there. Hopefully you like this video. I'm going to sign out, but I just want to give you a little alert on the pound dollar. Interesting selling pressure today, so keep an eye on it.